Hey babes! Today's video I'm going to do DIY haircut. I'm living in Japan for 10 months now and I'm still struggling with the language. I also do research about haircut prices in salon. It ranges from 5,000 yen to 8,000 yen, which is a lot just for haircut. Also, I'm not sure which hair salon should I go, and I always have struggle with communication here. So that's why I decided to do DIY for myself. Of course, this is not easy, but we can do this, babes. Okay, so let's get started. I separate quarter of my hair on the front and I try to make straight line as much as I can and tie them securely. Moving on at the back hair, I made 2 ponytails. I could do butterfly hack, but I didn't because I don't prefer layer at the back side. Tying your hair is so much easier when you cut your hair. I use my mascara to measure the length and then I pull down my hair tie and there you go, buo na talaga ang desisyon ko na magpa-short hair. Hindi naman totally na very short. 2 years ago since I cut my hair and whenever I cut them, I regret it. Literally my biggest regret in my life. Kaya hindi na ako nagpapa-short hair. So this is how it look at the back side. It's kind of V-style which is perfect so I can connect the layers on the front. So again, I tie them securely so it will not mix up on my front hair. And now I'm gonna start working on my front hair. I have to make sure that the ponytail is the straight line on my nose. So when I try to use the mascara for measurement, it's kind of a little bit short. So I cut my hair longer than the mascara. So this is how it turned out. I just need to connect the layers and fix them. And voila, this is the final look. It turns out better than I thought. I'm really happy with the result. Look at that layers. My hair looks so much healthier and thicker. The layer just give nice volume. Alright babes, I hope you like my haircut tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Follow for more.